CEO asked me once to report on the top selling product types for new customers, but since Shopify doesn't offer that insight out of the box, I decided to build the Tag and Track system to do just that and more. Let me show you how it works. When a customer places an order, the system checks their purchase history and the contents of the order. So let's say it's their second order. Tag and Track will then automatically add the tags to the order and the customer's profile. It also checks if a discount code was used or if an item was on sale and adds the relevant tags to the order. Here's how it looks in your orders overview, and this is how it appears in the customer's profile. This makes reporting simple and effective, helping you understand customer behaviour without digging through data. So, how do you install it? If you haven't already, you'll need to install Shopify Flow, which is a free app built by Shopify. Then, upload the 2 files provided with your Tag and Track purchase. Activate both of these flows, and that's it. They'll now run by themselves in the background. As part of the Tag and Track system, I've included some ready-made report templates for you too. Just go to Analytics, Reports, and then click on the New Exploration button. Paste in the provided code, and this will load my recommended layout. And from there, you'll see the order tag performance over time, with filters ready to use. You'll also see a breakdown of the top selling products by product name or by product type. And again, you can filter and explore however you need. And that's it. You're all set to track and report on customer behaviour right inside Shopify. No extra tools and no ongoing fees. Download Tag and Track today for a one-time payment.